Welcome to 03 Communications Technical Training Series, where we will show you how you can make changes to your phone system. As you can see here, we are currently on the Phone Systems login page. If you don't have access to this or you don't have an login account, please contact us here at 03 Communications. Once you have logged into the phone system with your login details, you will be able to see the home page. All phone system programming is done under the Programming section, and then System Data. Once you have clicked on System Data, you will be able to see all the different memory blocks listed on the side.
In today's presentation, we embark on a journey to elucidate the meticulous process involved in updating memory block 4702, meticulously dedicated to the voicemail setup, within the NEC Phone System. To commence, let us navigate to memory block 4702. Upon arrival, you will be granted access to the In-Mail Station Mailbox Options page. This pivotal interface serves as the conduit for updating staff voicemails and configuring the destination for voicemail to email transmissions. To navigate to the desired voicemail for modification, utilize the directional arrows located in the upper right corner under the Mailbox section. Simultaneously, it is imperative to pay close attention to the Mailbox extension, situated within Field 02. For illustrative purposes, in today's demonstration, we endeavor to incorporate changes by adding Sarah's email to VM102 and removing the current email address. This is achieved by navigating to Mailbox 102 and subsequently appending her email to Field 21, email address. It is crucial to apply these changes promptly by clicking the Apply button situated in the top right corner after each adjustment. Additionally, ensure that both options, 20, email notification, and 22, email message attachment, are selected. Typically, these options are pre-selected by default. Finally, as a matter of protocol, kindly remember to log out of the phone system upon completion. This can be accomplished by selecting Home in the top right corner and proceeding to log out. With this, we conclude this comprehensive tutorial on effecting name changes to voicemails within the NEC Phone System.